Hello friends, here I am to share an amazing savory snack. Crispy save in easy way without kneading. Will be super tasty and very crunchy. Enjoy as a snack or pair with bundi, pani puri, etc. The best part is it doesn't absorb oil. Look at the beautiful color and how dry the save is. Also you don't need any helping hand. You can make it easily all alone. With just 2 cups of flour you can make 1 kg save. Store in a airtight container and enjoy for around 2 months. Let's get started. First, in a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cup besan, half a cup rice flour. So it's 3:1 ratio for besan versus rice flour. Next, add quarter teaspoon turmeric for nice color. Add little more than half a teaspoon chili powder. Half a teaspoon ajwain. Enhances taste and aids digestion. Little more than half a teaspoon salt. Pinch of hing, it's optional. Mix all the ingredients together. If you notice, water to flour ratio is important. So for 2 cups of flour, add less than 3/4 cup warm water in little batches and start mixing. Make sure it's only warm, not hot water. No need to knead or use hands, just mix with spoon. You will always have clean hands. No need to rest the dough or add oil in dough. Dough should be sticky, not too loose or thick. As you see, this is the perfect consistency, not to absorb oil and super easy to press. Just in case if you add more water, add little more besan. Now take the murku press. Use small hole jali for thin save. Grease lightly with 2 to 3 drops of oil inside the press for first batch. This way you can avoid adding lot of oil to dough being sticky. Now fill the press 3/4 with dough. In the meanwhile, heat oil in a wide pan. Once the oil is hot, press the save directly in oil, making spirals. Continue frying save on high flame. It's very easy to make save at home this way. Use a big strainer to flip gently to avoid breaking. If you notice, each batch takes around 2 to 2.5 minutes only. Fry both sides until bubbles stop. Then take out save and drain. After each batch, clear the save from jali with spoon to avoid lumps. You will have nice thin shaped save. Keep frying rest of the batches easily. As you see, save gets fried quickly with even color. Doesn't take much time due to thinner size. You can make small bhajis with last leftover dough from murku press. Hope you enjoy my crispy delicious save with your family. See you again with many more awesome recipes. Thanks for watching.